What's up? We're spending a few nights here at the Alila Hinu Bay and we absolutely had to show you this place because it's unlike anything we've experienced before.
In case you are watching us for the first time, I'm Moses.
And I'm Divya. Together, we love to explore anything that has to do with food and travel.
If that's something you guys are interested in, then do subscribe to our channel to follow us.
And if you are on Instagram, check us out there as well for fun short reels from all the nice places that we go to. I think that's enough for a quick rundown of everything, so let's take you around.
Alila Hinu Bay is located in the town of Mirbat, about 1 hour away from Salalah. We visited during the Kharif or the monsoon in July, which adds a magical touch to the place. Located between the mountains and the ocean, the landscape is quite unique at Alila, and all the rooms are individual villa style that makes this place super different. And on an important note, if you are planning to go to Alila, make sure you watch till the end as we have some awesome deals which will help you save a lot of money. This is the main entrance to the hotel and we headed right into the reception, which is beautiful in all its dark wood finish yet with lots of modern touches. While we checked in, we were given this frankincense-infused hibiscus drink which was super refreshing, and frankly speaking, until then I had no idea that frankincense is edible. While you're here, it's all about that buggy life, and here we are taken to our room by the lovely Hanadi who made our stay so memorable. On the way, she showed us how Alila infuses and honors local traditions, and even the terrain here is not modified in any way, and hence you see these mini hills that are sprinkled here and there. And here we are in our room, and I know for many of us the room and the layout is one of the most important things in a hotel, so are you guys ready to check this one out? With your room key card, you're given a map of the entire property, which is huge by the way. There are about 96 rooms, couple of restaurants, beautiful pools and viewpoints. We try to explore as much as possible and obviously we'll take you along too. But first, let's go into the spa for some much needed R&R. There's something about me and you, so let me stay here a little while. So we just sat down at the spa and they served us with some cold tea, which is so nice, and we're gonna go for the 90-minute frankincense massage, which is what Oman is known for. It smells heavenly and I can't wait to fully relax and unwind. After finishing up our cold tea, we were taken to one of the many therapy rooms at the spa where they set up a nice couples massage for Moses and I. It's a super zen and calming environment, from the muted colors to the aromatic to the acoustic music, and this particular room even had a jacuzzi that can be included in the spa package. We wasted no time and quickly changed into our robes. So, all set for the massage in your robe?
Yeah, I'm looking like Jackie Chan.
Yeah guys, so we're gonna get a full body massage after a long time. The last time we did it was in Maldives.
Yes.
And this is gonna be another long one. We're looking forward to all the deep tissue massage.
Yeah. So we will share the experience guys after this.
Yeah. So guys, we just got done with that 90-minute
minutes massage session. I don't know how even 1.5 hours just went by. We probably may have slept for some of it because it was that relaxing, and they even massaged our necks and heads, which was just so good because there's so much tension built up, right, from all the gadgets that we keep looking at. So this was a much needed me time, us time for us.
It's truly the land of frankincense as we started to notice it being everywhere, from the chandelier to the hot tea we were served after our massage.
So we're waiting here at the reception and we're gonna go somewhere now. But
Yes.
where are we going, Moses? You know?
Actually, I don't know, but they said they are going to take us somewhere else.
Yeah.
So it might be a mystery for us.
Yeah, because
So-
it's gonna be a surprise, guys. Because
Yeah.
initially we were gonna go to Wadi Darbat, but the weather has been a little bit moody. Maybe not the best to go there, so we're gonna go somewhere else a little bit more suited for this weather, and we're gonna have a picnic there. So we'll take you along and show what all we are gonna experience as well. So stay tuned.
We were taken around by Adnan, who was such great company. Hi Adnan, if you're watching, and he made sure we got to see as many places as possible. Our first stop was Mirbat, a coastal town with lots of history and old houses which are still standing, so you could explore a lot in this quaint neighborhood.
So we're in the town of Mirbat, which is close to the Alila Hinu Bay, and here you can actually check out a nice beach and also a castle. Right next to the castle, there's actually the Mirbat old souk, which we're walking through right now, and it's a nice look into the past actually of how people used to be here. Such a cool spot for pictures as well, if I'm not lying. So yeah, let's see what else we can find here. So I'm not sure if many of you have seen this before, but these benches outside the doors, we actually can find them back in India as well, where people used to sit outside in the evenings and catch up with their friends. Seems like they used to do that in Oman as well, and the same architecture remains here too.
Turns out that Wadi Darbat was still doable, so that's where we went next. If you didn't know about this already, Salalah is known as the Switzerland of the Gulf, and we believe one of the main reasons it is called that is because of the lush green mountains and the lake in the valley of Wadi Darbat. You can also find smaller waterfalls here which are so pretty. Honestly guys, this place makes you forget that you're in the Middle East. It's beyond amazing. On the way back from Wadi Darbat, we stopped by in a secluded beach, and Adnan so kindly arranged this picnic setup for us. It included a lot of food, by the way, salad, some hearty sandwiches, and fruits, all nicely put together by the Alila team.
Starting with salad.
It's a nice beachside picnic that we're having.
Yeah.
We haven't shown you guys the stunning pools at Alila yet, right? Yes, there are two gorgeous pools and they're to die for.
Like a light, lighting up in the dark. You make it right, I forgot how to act. It's so classic. Every time you make me nervous and I lose my words. It's been a while since I forgot the most simple words. I feel calm when you're around, like nothing can break me. Now I know why it never worked out before. High low, it would always turn out bad, so bad. But every time we start a fight, we always stop in time. We both know how to
lagoon and a sea view, and the lagoon is in front of us right now, and around us is so many rocks, and it's such a pretty landscape here. Actually, here they also set up a dinner for you guys. I've seen it on their website and it looks so romantic. So if that's something that you want to do, you can arrange for that as well.
Another important thing is food, and there are two main restaurants at Alila. The first one is Seasalt, which is adjoining the swimming pool. You can have your lunch and dinner here, and the main cuisine is Asian, so that includes dim sums, chicken sautés, which you can see Moses enjoying, Malaysian roti canai and veg curry, and seafood mee goreng, just to name a few. And Orchard is your breakfast restaurant, but they also serve dinner. Their breakfast is a little different from your typical hotel buffet style breakfast. You can actually choose your main breakfast dish a la carte and head to the buffet for other things like juice, cereal, fruit, bread, baked goods, cold cuts, cheese, and other things. You get your hot beverage of choice served to you, and we obviously got coffee. And from the a la carte menu, I got the avocado toast on that particular day. Now getting to the actual discounts, are you guys ready for it? We have some amazing deals you can bag, and this is exclusively for our viewers and subscribers. Starting with our favorite offer out of all is pay for one night and you can stay for two, basically buy one get one free, which is so great. Then you guys can avail 20% discount on food and beverages, as well as 20% discount on their spa services and 10% discount on airport transfers too. All you need to do to avail these offers is to contact Alila Reservations team directly and mention our channel name Nanga Ready when booking your stay.
Sadly, our stay at the beautiful Alila comes to an end as we've just checked out, and the quality of the service here, the hospitality was just top notch, and the food and the ambience was great as well, like you guys saw. So if you're looking for a beach holiday that's super serene, you know where to come, and that's Alila Hinu Bay. Moses and I would like to thank Alila for hosting us, and Luxury Convoy Oman magazine for making this whole trip possible, and Wizz Air for flying us in and out. If you like this video, make sure to give this a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more travel content and also fun videos from Dubai. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye!